Letting go. The Buddhist secret to emotional freedom. Have you ever held on to something for too long? A heartbreak, a regret, a resentment that quietly lingers in the background of your life? We often believe that holding on protects us, but in truth it keeps us trapped, stuck in cycles of pain, resistance, and illusion. Buddhist wisdom offers us a radical shift in perspective. Letting go is not giving up. It is setting yourself free. In this video, we will explore the Buddhist path of letting go, what it truly means, why it's so hard, and how you can finally release what's been weighing on your heart so you can walk lighter, freer, and more alive. Part 1. The root of suffering. Attachment. The Buddha once said, "Attachment is the root of all suffering." Attachment doesn't mean caring. It doesn't mean love. It means clinging, trying to control, refusing to let go. We attach to people, outcomes, identities, routines. We grasp tightly, hoping to preserve something forever in a world that is constantly changing. We believe, if I can just keep this job, this partner, this version of myself, I'll be safe. But the world moves. People evolve, bodies age, life changes, and when we resist these changes, that resistance is what creates suffering. Instead of flowing, we fight. Instead of adapting, we fear. Instead of letting go, we hold tighter, and in doing so, we drown. Part 2. Why letting go is hard. Letting go is one of the most difficult inner journeys we'll ever face, because we confuse letting go with losing. We think, if I let this go, what will be left of me? Or worse, who will I be without it? But here's the paradox. You're not losing yourself. You're returning to yourself, the self that existed before the pain, before the role, before the story you've been carrying like armor. The Buddha taught impermanence, anicca, the truth that everything arises and passes away. People, emotions, thoughts, seasons, life itself. Yet, we build our lives as if things will last forever. We suffer not because things end, but because we pretend they won't. Freedom is not found in resistance. It's found in surrendering to what is, not passively, but peacefully. Letting go is not giving up. It's waking up. Part 3. The 3 things you must let go. There are 3 invisible burdens that block our peace. 1. Let go of control. You cannot control how others behave, how they feel, or what they do. Trying to manipulate outcomes, trying to force life into your timeline, only exhausts the spirit. Control is an illusion. It offers comfort, but delivers suffering. When you release the need to control, you discover a deeper power. Trust. 2. Let go of the past. The past cannot be changed. No amount of guilt, regret, or overthinking will rewrite it. But you can stop dragging it into the present. You can put it down, like a heavy bag you no longer need to carry. Forgiveness doesn't mean approval. It means choosing peace over pain. 3. Let go of the false self. You are not your job. You are not your trauma. You are not your titles, possessions, or achievements. You are not your fear. You are awareness itself, consciousness that observes it all. The more you identify with the ego, the more you suffer when it's threatened. But when you identify with awareness, you become unshakable, because awareness doesn't cling, it simply sees. Part 4. The practice of letting go. How to. Letting go is not just a philosophy. It's a practice, a discipline of the heart. Here are 4 daily techniques rooted in Buddhist tradition to help you let go. 1. Meditate on impermanence. Sit quietly. Watch your breath. Let thoughts arise and pass away. Notice how no emotion, no thought, no sensation stays. Life is like a river. It flows, changes, never stops. When you observe this truth in meditation, your grip on permanence softens. The realization that everything is temporary is deeply liberating. 2. Use a mantra. Repeat silently, I let go. I trust. I release. Or, I am not this thought. I am the space it moves through. Let these mantras become anchors when your mind starts to spiral. Let them guide you back to calm. 3. Reflect on death. Contemplating death may sound dark, but in Buddhism, it's a doorway to clarity. When you remember that everything you cling to, including this life, will eventually pass, you begin to loosen your grip. You stop wasting energy on what doesn't matter, and you start living with depth, intention, and presence. 4. Practice compassion. Letting go also means letting go of judgment, resentment, and blame. Start by offering compassion to yourself for what you're carrying, for what you've endured. Then extend that compassion to others. Everyone is struggling with something. Everyone is learning how to let go. Conclusion. True freedom begins with release. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting. It doesn't mean pretending something didn't hurt. It means honoring what was and choosing peace over pain. It means recognizing that life is not a possession. It's a gift. Buddhism invites us to walk more lightly, to stop clinging to people, to stories, to pain, to the illusion of permanence. Because true happiness is not found in holding on, but in being here now, fully present, fully free. Call to action. If this message touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe to this channel for weekly Buddhist wisdom and healing reflections. And I want to ask you, what is one thing you're ready to let go of today? Share it in the comments. Your story could free someone else. And remember, letting go is not the end. It's the beginning of everything true. Letting go, the Buddhist secret to emotional freedom. Are you still holding on to a heartbreak, a regret, or a pain that never left? Buddha said, attachment is the root of all suffering. Letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means setting yourself free. Here's the truth. 1. Let go of control. Life is not yours to control, only to experience. 2. Let go of the past. Stop carrying what no longer serves you. 3. Let go of the false self. You are not your titles, your pain, or your fear. You are awareness. And how? Meditate on impermanence. Use the mantra, I let go, I trust, I release, reflect on death to live more fully. Practice compassion for yourself and others. Real freedom begins when you finally let go. So let me ask you, what's one thing you're ready to let go of today? Comment below. Follow for more Buddhist wisdom and emotional healing.